Welcome to this step-by-step acrylic painting tutorial, where we'll create a vibrant scene of colorful birds perched on a branch. Get your supplies ready, and let's dive right into it. We're starting with an 8 by 10 inch stretched cotton canvas. Begin by squeezing out a few drops of lamp black on the corners, mid-gray in the middle, and titanium white in the center of the canvas. Grab your stationary sponge, dampen it slightly with a water spray, and start spreading the black paint from the edges of the canvas. Use a dabbing motion to blend the black into the canvas evenly. Next, move on to the gray, blending it with the black and gradually working towards the white in the center. Continue blending until you achieve a smooth transition, creating a light gray background in the middle portion of the canvas. This soft gradient will set the stage for our colorful birds. Now, take your small flat brush and use lamp black to paint a large branch across the lower middle area of the canvas. Switch to your detailing brush to add smaller, thin branches extending from the main branch. These branches will soon be home to our vibrant birds. Let's start painting the birds. Using a small round brush, begin with a turquoise blue bird. Create a long oval shape for the body, a tail extending downward, and a round shape on top for the head. After establishing the basic shape, outline the bird with black, then blend a touch of white with the turquoise to add dimension and highlights. Now, it's time to introduce some variety. Using different colors like magenta, orange, and purple, paint additional birds on the branch. Start with the head and body, outline each bird's shape, and don't forget to add the tail. Repeat the process for each bird, making sure to blend white or lighter shades with the base color to create depth. Add the finer details. Use your detailing brush to create fur-like structures on the birds by layering similar colors. For the finishing touches, paint long beaks and small eyes using lamp black. Don't forget the claws, use titanium white mixed with light shades to give them a natural look. Finally, let's add a pop of color to the scene. Take a hard bristles brush and apply orange and yellow to create small leaves on the branches. The contrast of these warm tones against the cool background will really make the painting stand out. A few tips before we wrap up: keep your sponge slightly damp throughout the blending process to ensure the paint spreads smoothly. When painting, start with darker colors and work your way towards lighter ones, both for the background and foreground elements. And don't hesitate to experiment with different colors for each bird. This will add diversity and make your artwork visually engaging. And there you have it, a beautiful, vibrant painting of colorful birds that you can proudly display. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more acrylic painting tutorials. Happy painting!